The Yaskawa AC motor controller, power, and driver board is used in AC motor controller applications. The 616G-3 power supply and driver board is used in many applications that require an AC motor control.
We can repair your industrial electronic equipment, preventing a costly replacement and extended downtime. Thanks for watching ERD TV. We repair a wide variety of industrial electronic equipment that is backed by our 3-year warranty. If you have any questions, contact us by phone or visit us at www.industrialrepairstore.com.